Hello everyone! I'm excited to introduce you to one of SupaElements' most interesting features, which allows you to create upsells directly in your checkout with just a few simple clicks. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever new app tutorials are available. And make sure to set your video quality to HD for the best viewing experience. The SupaElements feature I'm talking about is the Dynamic Element product offer, available to all Shopify Plus members. In a very simple way, you can create a banner to offer one or more products directly in the checkout, order them by price or product name, customize the offer name, and even the text you want displayed on the call to action button. Furthermore, you can also give your customers the option to choose the quantity or variants they prefer for the offered product. But let's see how easy it is to create this type of element in the checkout. From the SupaElements dashboard, we can create a new element either from this button here at the top right or directly from the Checkout Elements window using this Create button. Now, in the Dynamic Elements section, choose Product Offer and click on this button. This opens the configuration page. The first thing to decide is the title, which is mandatory and will be used to connect it to our checkout later. Then, we define the condition under which the offer will be displayed if it is met. We can also create multiple conditions and decide whether to make both mandatory using the AND button here or make them optional using the OR button. In this example, we'll use only one condition and choose Cart Contains Products. Thanks to the Set Value button, we can conveniently use the picker to select which products are necessary. In our case, I select these 3 products. Now I'm going to customize the offer in the Static Content window. Here in the heading, I put the name of the offer, for example, Don't Forget the Wax, and in the CTA label, I put a short immediate name like Buy. Now let's choose the product to offer. As you can see, we have several options in this field. But for this example, we'll use Product Variant. Again, thanks to the convenient picker, I choose what to offer. In my case, I select this product, and all the variants are automatically activated. Of course, I can also deselect any variant I don't want to offer, but for the moment, I'm happy to give the customer more choice. I can also customize whether to order them by price or product name, and whether to display them in ascending or descending order. I can also prioritize which variant is displayed, whether the most expensive or the least expensive. These 2 checkboxes here give us the option to let the customer choose whether to purchase more products and whether to choose the variant they like best. And here too, I activate both to give the customer more choice. The last window gives us the possibility to schedule the offer for a specific period of time, days, or even just a few hours, but at the moment, we'll leave it turned off. Okay, now I activate this dynamic element here and click Save, and our offer is ready. The last thing we need to check is where to position our offer, and to do this, we go directly to customize the checkout page of our store and add the SupaElements app block, if it isn't already present, with our offer wherever we prefer. In our case, we put it at the top of the page. We open the element, and here in Element Name, we enter the title of our newly created element. We save the page, and our element is loaded. But let's see what it looks like in our store. From the store, I go to buy one of the 3 products I chose in the conditions, I add it to the cart, and I move to the checkout. And here, as the checkout loads, the first thing I see is the offer I just created. As you can see, it has the title we chose. It is possible to choose the variants, and the relative image also changes dynamically, and it is also possible to buy the desired quantities. And to add it to the cart, just press the Buy button that we set. Obviously, if the product we chose is not present in the cart, this offer will not be present either, as you can see. With SupaElements, it is really easy and fast to create offers of any kind for your cart with a few simple clicks, increasing the possibility of upsells and a simpler and more direct customer experience. Ready to improve your customer's shopping experience? Activate any plans and remember you have 7-day free trial to test it. If you need help, our support team is always available, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever new app tutorials are available.